Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mr. George English Channel.
Hello, hello. We are very happy you are here today.
My name is Mia.
And my name is George.
Today, we will learn something very important.
Yes, today's topic is how to introduce yourself in English.
This lesson is for beginners.
A1 and A2 level.
We will speak slowly.
We will use easy words.
And we will practice together.
Do not worry.
You do not need perfect English.
You just need to try.
Before we start, thank you for watching.
If you like learning English with us,
Please like this video.
please subscribe to Mr. George English Channel.
And please comment below.
Your comments help us a lot.
Thank you so much.
Let's begin.
When you meet a new person, you can say,
Hello,
hello,
or you can say,
hi.
Hi is friendly.
Hello is polite.
Both are good.
Let's look at an important word.
Hello.
Hello means hi.
Hello means hi.
It is a greeting.
A greeting means you say it when you meet someone.
After hello, you say your name.
You can say, My name is George.
My name is Mia.
My name is...
Your name comes next.
Let's look at this phrase.
My name is.
This phrase tells people your name.
It is very common.
You will use it a lot.
Now, let's practice together.
Please listen first.
Hello, my name is Mia.
Hello, my name is George.
Now, repeat after us.
Hello, my name is...
Say your name.
Good job.
Now, how do we ask someone's name?
We can say, What is your name?
What is your name?
What is your name?
This is a question.
You ask this when you meet someone.
The answer is, my name is...
Listen to this short conversation.
Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is George. What is your name?
My name is Mia.
Nice.
Very simple.
Very useful.
George, do you ever forget your name?
Only before coffee.
Me too. English is easier with coffee.
And with practice.
Great job so far.
You learned how to say hello
You learned how to say your name.
and how to ask a name.
In next part, we will learn
How to say where you are from.
very useful
You learned how to say hello.
and how to say your name.
Now let's continue.
In this part, we will learn how to say where you are from.
When people meet you, they often ask, Where are you from?
Let's say it together. Where are you from?
Let's look at this question.
Where are you from?
This question asks about your country or city.
It means, what country do you come from?
To answer, you can say, I am from Canada.
I am from the USA.
I am from Mexico.
I am from Brazil.
I am from... This tells your country or city.
It is very easy.
You just add the place.
Now let's practice.
Repeat after us. I am from...
Say your country.
Good job.
You can also say your city.
For example,
I am from Bogota.
I am from New York.
I am from London.
City.
A city is a place where people live,
Big or small.
like your city.
Listen to this conversation.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is George. What is your name?
My name is Mia. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. Where are you from?
I am from Colombia.
Repeat after us. Where are you from?
I am from...
Small tip. Do not say only the country.
Say the full sentence.
Say, I am from Spain.
Not only Spain.
The full sentence is better.
George, where are you from again?
I am from Canada.
Ah, yes, cold weather.
Very cold. I need a jacket.
English is warmer here.
Excellent work. Now you can say your name.
And where you are from.
In next part, we will learn how to talk about your job or what you do.
Very important for introductions. Now, let's move on.
In this part, we will learn how to say what you do.
When you meet a new person, they often ask, "What do you do?"
Let's say it together. What do you do?
Good. This question means, what is your job? Or, what is your work?
The easy answer is, I am a.
For example, I am a teacher.
I am a student.
I am a driver.
Let's learn some easy jobs.
Listen first. I am a teacher.
A teacher teaches students.
I am a student.
A student studies and learns.
I am a doctor.
A doctor helps sick people.
I am a worker.
A worker works in a job.
Now repeat after us.
Slow and clear. I am a teacher.
I am a student.
I am a doctor.
I am a worker. Very good. Now, what if you do not have a job?
That is okay.
You can say, I am a student.
Or, I am learning English.
That is a great answer.
After you answer, you can ask back.
Say, and you?
Very easy.
Very polite.
Let's try a short conversation.
Listen first.
Hello, what do you do?
I am a student. And you?
I am a teacher.
Nice. Now, repeat after us. What do you do?
I am a student.
And you?
Excellent.
You do not need long sentences.
Short sentences are perfect.
Simple English is good English. In the next part, we will learn how to say how old you are and simple personal information.
Stay with us.
You are learning step by step.
You are doing very well.
Now it is time for something new.
In this part, we will learn how to say your age and simple personal information.
When people meet, they sometimes ask,
How old are you?
let's say it together. How old are you?
Good job.
The easy answer is,
I am 30 years old.
for example,
I am 20 years old.
I am 30 years old.
Let's practice some numbers.
Listen first.
20,
25,
30,
35.
40.
Now repeat.
I am 20 years old.
I am 30 years old.
I am 40 years old.
Excellent.
If you do not want to say your age,
That is okay.
you can smile and say, I prefer not to say.
Very polite.
Very respectful.
Now let's add one more thing.
You can talk about your family.
For example, I am married.
I am single.
I have one brother.
I have 2 sisters.
Listen and learn.
Married. It means you have a husband or wife.
Single. It means you are not married.
Brother. A boy in your family.
Sister. A girl in your family. Repeat after us. I am single.
I am married.
I have one brother.
I have 2 sisters. Very good.
Now let's listen to a short talk.
Hello, how old are you?
I am 28 years old. And you?
I am 30 years old.
Nice to meet you. Now your turn. How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Nice to meet you too.
You do not need to say everything.
Say only what you want.
Short answers are okay. In the next part, we will put everything together.
Name,
Country,
job.
age. You are doing great. Now it is time for something important.
Put everything together. A full introduction.
Simple, easy, clear.
First, say your name.
My name is.
For example, my name is Mia.
My name is George.
Next, say where you are from.
I am from.
For example, I am from Mexico.
I am from Canada.
Now, say your job.
I am a.
For example, I am a student.
I am a teacher.
You can also say your age.
I am 25 years old.
For example, I am 25 years old.
Listen carefully.
Hello, my name is Mia. I am from Mexico. I am a student. I am 25 years old.
Very nice.
Now, George.
Hello, my name is George. I am from Canada. I am a teacher. I am 30 years old.
Now repeat with us. My name is. I am from. I am years old.
Excellent.
You can also make it shorter.
Short is okay.
For example, hi, I'm Mia. I'm from Mexico.
That's all.
Repeat after us.
Hi, I'm from. Perfect.
You do not need perfect English.
You need clear English.
Speak slowly.
Smile. In the next part, we will practice real conversations.
At work.
At school.
In real life. You are doing very well. How to make a full introduction.
Name, country, job, age.
Now it is time to practice.
Real situations.
Work.
School.
New people.
Imagine this.
It is your first day at work.
You meet a coworker.
Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your name?
My name is George.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Nice to meet you, George.
Nice to meet you too.
Listen.
What is your name?
Where are you from?
What do you do? What is your name?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
Now, school.
You meet a new classmate. Hi,
Hi.
my name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Listen carefully.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
Repeat after us. Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
You do not need long sentences.
Short sentences are good.
Clear English is best.
Wow, George. We are at the end of today's lesson.
Yes, Mia, and you did a great job.
You learned how to introduce yourself in English.
You learned how to say your name.
You learned how to say where you are from.
And you learned how to say what you do.
That is amazing. Great work, everyone.
Remember, English is not scary.
English is for talking.
English is for sharing.
You do not need perfect English,
You need simple English.
and you are doing it.
One small step every day.
One sentence every day.
That is how you learn English.
Let's say it one last time, slowly, together.
Repeat after us.
Hello, my name is, I am from, nice to meet you. Perfect.
Very good.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We are very happy you are here.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video.
Please subscribe to Mr. George English Channel.
And please comment below.
Your comments help us a lot.
Now it is time for the question of the day.
Answer in the comments.
Ready? What is your name and where are you from?
Write your answer in English.
Simple English is perfect.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for practicing.
See you in the next English lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye.